Hello guys, so we are hiking now up in the forest. So this is our tour guide and our teammate. Here is Pele, and there behind us our team with Jacinta and Glory. So basically we all received these masks. It's in order not to infect the chimpanzees with any human-borne disease. So basically chimpanzees, they can be quite sensitive to the diseases carried by humans, and here in the park they issue this mask to everybody. So they told us when we will get close to the chimpanzees we have to put on these masks. And on the way we've seen already some monkeys, some baboons, and it's quite of the hike. Not that steep, but I feel that we climbing up and up in this beautiful forest. So here is Pele, and let us see if we manage to see the chimpanzee today.